Morning everyone, this is Audrey the Travel Mama. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if this is your first time. In this video, I'm going to unbox 3 Hoyas and show you what the new plants I got from Etsy. Here is actually a replacement of Hoya sigillatus. I purchased a new rooted cutting a month ago. We didn't pay attention to the coming cold weather and the cutting didn't survive the cold. The seller kindly sent a replacement to me. Here is the Hoya sigillatus. It's actually way bigger than the cutting I purchased a month ago. Looks very healthy too. I'm so happy with this replacement. Look at those cute leaves. This is a very unique Hoya with cute leaves and some spottings on the leaves. Overall, I really love this new Hoya. Let's unbox the other 2 Hoya. Don't think I need to say more about this Hoya, the Hoya Closeups. It is on almost everyone's wish list. Another one is my sunrise replacement, the one Hoya that I'm struggling so much that I decided to order a replacement just in case. Let's do a close-up on these 2 Hoyas. I pre-ordered this Closeups, a starter plant, back a month ago and I just received it, but look at this one, it has some roots on it. It's such a cute Hoya, I love the leaves. And here is the sunrise. It actually has a lot of roots than I expected, but as you guys know, my old Hoya sunrise also has tons of roots. So I'm hoping this Hoya can start to grow in new Hoya branches instead like the old one keeps dying off the new tips. I'm going to end this short video and let these 3 Hoya enjoy some sunshine. If you have questions or suggestions regarding Hoya, leave a comment down below. You all have a fabulous day. Happy growing!